I am watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. Today is the grand concluding day of the Kila Raipur Games, famously known as the Rural Olympics of the Punjab, Mini Olympics of the Punjab. For the past 3 days, this legendary sporting festival has celebrated the spirit, strength, and soul of rural Punjab. And in just a short while from now, the Chief Minister of Punjab, Bhagwant Singh Mann, is expected to arrive here to grace the closing ceremony and address the massive gathering present here at the venue. So this year edition has been truly historic. After a long hiatus of 12 years, the much-awaited bullock cart races have finally made a grand comeback here at the Kila Raipur Games. So the revival has drawn an unprecedented crowd with thousands of spectators thronging the ground since early morning. So for past 2 days, this is a 3-day event. For past 2 days, huge number of spectators, they have turned up over here, and you can see the bullock cart races, they are on over here on the final day of the Kila Raipur Games. So you can see the spectators, they are cheering up for the participating in the bullock cart races, and bullock cart races, they have revived after a 12 years of gap here at the Kila Raipur Games. So the energy here is electric. Youth, farmers, families and visitors from across the region, they have gathered in huge numbers, turning this rural arena into a vibrant festival of culture and sports. The thunder of hooves, the decorated bullocks and the proud farmers guiding their teams have once again become the heartbeat of Kila Raipur. The bullock cart races have undoubtedly remained the highlight of this 3-day extravaganza, symbolizing Punjab's deep-rooted agricultural heritage and competitive spirit. So, but the excitement did not stop there. Today, the concluding day has also featured a wide array of traditional rural competitions and breathtaking stunts that drew loud cheers from the spectators. From high-energy hockey matches and intense kabaddi bouts to display of sheer strength and tug-of-war, every contest has showcased the raw talent of Punjab's grassroots athletes. The track and field events such as 100 meters long, shot put and long jump kept the crowd engaged, while the colorful Bazigar performances added a touch of thrill and cultural vibrance to the proceedings. So as the sun begins to set on this grand sporting celebration, all eyes are now on the main stage waiting for the arrival of Chief Minister Bhagwant Singh Mann. The closing ceremony promises to be a fitting finale to the 3 unforgettable days of the competition, tradition and pride. So from Kila Raipur, this is a celebration not just of sports but of Punjab's enduring rural legacy. So as bullock cart races has revived this year, it has become the historic 3-day event over here at the Kila Raipur, and you can see huge number of spectators from the region. They have gathered over here, and it is all because the bullock cart races, they have revived here after 12 years, after long 12 years gap here at the Kila Raipur Games. So very soon, Punjab CM Bhagwant Singh Mann will also turn up over here to grace this event, to grace the concluding ceremony here at the Kila Raipur Games, which is also called as Rural Olympics of the Punjab. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to The Sovera for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.